So, today we're looking at something that honestly kind of caught me by surprise. We're talking about the Toyota RAV4. Now, look, we all know its stellar reputation, right? I mean, it's the quintessential suburban hero, an absolute legend for reliability and family practicality. But we're going to look at some data today that kind of challenges that perfect image, at least for a very specific window of production. Which really forces us to ask, is a used RAV4 actually reliable? Well, if you're out there shopping for one right now, especially if you're eyeing those really tempting 2019 to 2021 models, there is a hidden danger you absolutely must know about. It's this specific design flaw that can literally turn a seemingly perfect family SUV into a massive, and I mean massive, expensive headache. Okay, let's dive into this. Picture this. You walk up to the car on the lot, and the exterior is pristine. The paint's gleaming, the roof rails look completely harmless. But beneath that super clean exterior, right above your head, lies an invisible vulnerability. It's a leak path that buyers almost never check until it's just way too late. And boom, their suburban hero turns into a mobile aquarium. Section 1. Anatomy of a flaw, where the water finds a way in. So to understand how a vehicle with such an incredible reputation ends up flooding, we kind of have to look at a very specific structural choice made during manufacturing. And it starts right here with the roof rail mounts. Just to be clear, these are the attachment points securing those long exterior roof rails directly to the vehicle's metal roof body. Grounding ourselves in this specific hardware is super important because this is exactly where the failure happens. Let's actually look at the mechanics of this flaw for those 2019 to 2021 models. The design literally required holes to be drilled straight through the metal roof. Seriously. And to secure the mounts into those holes, they used plastic clips. I mean, you can probably guess the problem here. Over time, or honestly just under certain conditions, water simply bypasses the exterior seals. Because those holes go straight through the bare metal, the plastic clips provide a direct, totally unhindered path for water to just seep right inside the cabin. We're talking during a heavy rainstorm or, even just a routine trip through the car wash. Section 2. The hidden fallout. The true cost of water damage. Let's see how this builds, right? Because water entering the cabin is pretty much never just a localized issue. The fallout is cascading, and a lot of the time totally unseen. Actually, scratch that. It's not just unseen, it's incredibly expensive. This isn't some quick $50 fix. The financial risk here is massive. We are talking about repairs that can easily run up into the thousands of dollars. 2, 3 grand? Easy. It's a staggering hidden cost for a vehicle people usually buy specifically to avoid high maintenance bills. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why the bill gets so crazy high. You see, water damage doesn't just stay in one spot. It travels. It runs down, it soaks the carpets, it leaves these awful dark stains on the headliner. It creates the perfect environment for musty smells and, dangerous mold growth. But much more critically, and this is the scary part, water finds its way into the electrical system. It can literally fry your airbag modules. It causes short circuits, widespread system failures. Owners have actually reported their vehicles becoming completely undrivable while waiting for these complex repairs. Plus, even if it is fixed, the whole shebang takes a major hit to the vehicle's resale value once buyers find out about past leaks. Section 3. The 2022 Factory Fix. The safe harbor for buyers. Okay, let's take a collective breath here, because while that earlier situation is super alarming, there is actually a hero in this explainer. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the direct contrast we're seeing. On one side, we've got the flawed 2019 to 2021 design, relying on those problematic plastic clips. But for the 2022 refresh, Toyota fundamentally redesigned the roof rails. They engineered a brand new solution that completely eliminates those plastic clip holes going straight through the metal roof. And this right here, this is the absolute focal point I want you to remember from this explainer. The 2022 and newer models are the definitive safe choice. No question. By getting rid of the holes drilled straight through the roof, this new, much better design permanently closed the leak path for most vehicles. It wasn't just some quick Band-Aid fix at the dealership, it was a total structural redesign at the factory that tackled the root cause of the flooding. So if you want total peace of mind, and who doesn't, the 2022 models and beyond are exactly where you should be focusing your search. Section 4. The Smart Buyer Checklist. How to protect your purchase. Now, if you are still looking at an older model, maybe you found a great deal, we need to talk about how you can empower yourself. Think of this as your driveway inspection playbook. Step 1. Look up. Seriously, check that headliner really closely for any water stains or sagging. Step 2. Get inside the cabin, feel the carpets for any weird wet spots, and trust your nose. Sniff around for those musty, moldy smells. Step 3. If it's possible, remove the roof rails to physically check those clip holes. And finally, step 4. You've got to comb through the full service history. Look for any past leak repairs or, comprehensive insurance claims. So, the crucial point is this. Do not skip a professional mechanic's pre-purchase check, just ever. You absolutely must explicitly ask your mechanic to inspect the roof area, and specifically those electrical modules, for any hidden water damage. This single step, it is your ultimate safety net against a seller who might be trying to offload a compromised waterlogged vehicle onto you. Section 5. The final verdict. Make the smart choice. To summarize what all this data is telling us, the original 2019 to 2021 design is a heavily documented vulnerability. In fact, it's even sparked a class action lawsuit, which pretty much leaves us with this strict rule: inspect carefully or avoid entirely. If you adhere to this rule for the 19 to 21 models, or, just choose the much safer 2022 versions with a factory fix, you are protecting yourself and your wallet. It really leaves you wondering, could simply taking 5 extra minutes to look up at the headliner during a test drive be the single most profitable decision of your entire car buying journey? Protect your purchase, be a focused learner, and make the smart choice.